Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you my top 4 best tools for removing rusty bolts or nuts. So let's go into the video. My favorite one, the top one on my list, is a nut extractor socket. Like a special socket with different threads inside. It's almost like knives, so it grabs on the bolt head or the nuts really well. Like before I started to use these, I didn't think they were as good, but they're super good. So I would recommend you to buy a kit of these with the most common sizes, of course. You can find them usually kind of cheap on Amazon. So that's the first one, guys. And my second favorite tool is a pipe wrench with aggressive teeth. It has, you can adjust it. It has a tensioner. You put it on the rounded bolts or nuts. You tighten it really well. And then you put a good grip on it. And usually in like 9 out of 10 times it works. So this is one of my favorite ones as well. Especially when you have like a bit of a room, you know. Like I would say this tool is really well in good positions, but if it's like maybe in like a wheel arc, like high up, like a weird position, you won't be able to use it, but in normal situations it's really well. So let's continue with my third favorite tool to use. This is a nut destroyer or whatever it's called, like it destroys nuts or bolts. You can buy these for different sizes. This is like a bigger one, but you can buy another exactly the same tool but another size for smaller ones. But this one works really well. You just have to put it in a good position and then tighten it. And sometimes you can snap off the nuts in one attempt, but sometimes you have to move it to the other side of the nut and do it one more time. But it works really well. And my last recommendation for you guys is a grinder. So I don't usually use the grinder if it's not necessary, but it works really well because obviously it cuts through metal and you can like have a bit of fun with it. Like either you could just cut like a thread inside of the bolt and then try to use like some other tool, maybe like a screwdriver, or you can just like, you know, cut off the nut completely or the bolt or whatever you're working on. But these are my 4 favorite things to use. Like obviously you could argue that you could use other things like a drill or like a welder and you can weld a nut onto the bolt, or you know what I'm saying. So but I hope that like if you try any of these methods or any of these tools that they help you, because I usually use them and they usually work, so I would really recommend them. But thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Yes sir.